back up. So going slowly here, I pull, I circle, and now as he's fighting up, I'm releasing, I'm backstepping in, completing that toss. Decide to get those hands to the net and turn my opponent's knee down. And now I make that transition in, I pinch, I stay below the hip. Point takedown and knee up control on the way down. So I'm up, now I swing. I swing head down, we hit. Now I want to get that knee up position. And now we continue using our head to push, and we can attack crotch, or I can attack to a double leg, or I can stay on the waist, but make sure your head is driving to bring you flat to the mat.